Children, in the last class we read two pages, page number 14 and 15. Now in this session we are going to read page number 16. Kindly open page 16 in your English literature book. The first paragraph we'll start. Children, kindly repeat after me. After every line I will make a pause and then you can repeat it. Birbal came to meet him. Soon the day of his hanging arrived, and the executioner asked him his last wish. Children, if you feel that I am going too fast in reading, so you may pause the video for a while and you can read it and then again you can resume it. If you have any doubt in pronunciation of any word, you can type that word and you can send in the group and ask the pronunciation for the same. The hawker said that he wished to make a proclamation to the people of the city. He wished to warn them not to see the emperor's face early in the morning, or else they would be sentenced to the gallows just like him. The executioner was surprised at this unique request and informed Emperor Akbar about the hawker's proclamation. Children, keep your finger where we are reading so that you can know which word we are going to pronounce. Akbar immediately sent for the hawker. The courtiers were surprised to see him free the hawker and give him a bag of gold coins. Moving to the second page, page number 17. Akbar had realized that this proclamation could only have been thought out by Birbal. He immediately thanked him for preventing an innocent person's hanging and also opening his eyes to the injustice of his order. About the story. The stories of Akbar and Birbal are folk tales that have been passed on through generations using oral storytelling methods. Children, we have completed reading this chapter. We have read till here. In the last class, I gave you homework of writing word meanings in your English copy, English literature copy. So you had to write word meanings from these boxes which are given in the book. Total 15 word meanings are there. Hawker, unfortunately, courtiers. In the next page, dejected, progressed, quarreled, tantrum, convinced, inauspicious, gallows, executioner, proclamation, unique, innocent, injustice. So these are the 15 words which you had to write the meanings in English literature fair copy. Now children, moving ahead with the exercises in the book. You have to do these exercises in the book itself. A. Rearrange the following sentences in the correct order of the events as they happened in the story. So here are 8 sentences given in the jumbled form. You have read the story, you understood the story. Now you have to arrange these sentences in chronological order as it is given in the chapter. I have done it for you. Kindly do it in your book. Do not copy down in the fair copy. You have to do this exercise in book itself. If you have any doubt in this, you may ask by texting on the group. Next are the question answers. We will do it later in the copy. Turn to page 18. C. Find words from the story that have similar meanings as the following. So here are the words given: seller, sad, unfortunate, continued, stopping. So these are the words given. You have to write words which mean the same, which have same meanings. You have to write those words. You can also take help from the word meanings. So words which have same meanings are called synonyms. You can write synonyms are those words which have same meaning. So seller has the same meaning as hawker. You can also say seller to a hawker. Sad. The other word for sad is dejected. You already learned the word meanings where you saw the dejected meaning was sad given in the book. Third is unfortunate. It is the other word for unfortunate is inauspicious. You can also say inauspicious as unfortunate. Children, in the previous lectures I already told you that one word can have many meanings. एक शब्द के कई सारे अर्थ हो सकते हैं. Continued, progressed. So the meaning of progressed is continued. And we can also say as continued or progressed, both are same meaning. Stopping, stopping is preventing. The meaning of preventing is stopping. Coming to the language structure, synonyms. I already told you the meaning of synonyms. Synonyms are the words that have similar meanings. Similar means same meanings. For example, famous is a synonym for the word popular. So the other word we can say for popular is famous, or well known. You can also say as well known. So there are 3 words which mean the same. 3 words हैं जिनकी meanings same है. Famous, popular और you can write well known. Put a slash. Slash means or. It's written well known. KNOW